This is my friend Brittany. You can't really see her face, so it's not a big deal, but this is her Facebook photos from something. But just watch it. Yeah! Swim! 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 I'm having too much fun. Beer, leftover pizza, and boiled eggs. It's time to go shopping. Ice cream truck. Oh, sweet haunting tones of the ice cream truck. How you taunt me. So, you just missed it, but I just got eaten alive by 15 million mosquitoes. They were everywhere, and there was a swarm, and I had to run. It was terrible. I do a reenactment for you, but I'm in public. It was like this. Ah! There we go. Mary, you might ask, why are bananas bruised? Well, camera, I fell on the way home, right on my face, groceries and all, after getting mosquito bitten everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Yep, that's a spider. Where did he go? Where did he go? He was there for the longest. I'm scared.